Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction about me. My name is Tracy Goodwin and I'm so delighted that you're here. I've been in the speaking and presenting and storytelling world for over 30 years. I started winning speaking awards at the age of 12, which speaking, presenting, like TEDx talks, a big part of that is storytelling, and storytelling successfully so that it changes people's lives. I went on to become a professional actor, and for the last 30 years I've primarily been a voice and speaking, storytelling, presentation expert. I've worked with people all over the world on their voices and their stories and what they need to do with their content to actually deliver it for maximum connection, maximum authenticity, maximum vulnerability, because that is where the connection truly happens. And stories are the best way to make connections because they're experiences. And with our experiences, we can touch people on a deeper level. I love what I do, and I'm absolutely here to help you in any way I can. I'll post videos, PDFs, I'll add material as we go along, but never ever hesitate to reach out in the discussion board. I'll always be available to answer questions, and you can also message me if you have anything on a private level that you'd like to talk to me about. You can also see me on Blab and Twitter and Periscope. Make sure you follow me at Tracy A. Goodwin because I'm always delivering extra content, and I also have a Periscope called Voices of New York, where we go and we talk to people and we hear their stories. And I think you'll glean a lot of insight for that. You can find me at CaptivateTheRoom.com, and I look forward to helping you become an incredible storyteller.